Good morning. It's been how many weeks since I talked to you? Right after the last video upload, I got sick. It was a cold. A few of us off the boat caught this sickness. It was not COVID, funnily enough. And in fact, even though my roommate had COVID, I never caught COVID. And believe me, there have been copious tests. I caught some sort of a cold, cough, snot, something or other, and I have been barely able to function for 2 weeks. So, my 2 weeks in Wales with my mother-in-law has been pretty much sat in a recliner, trying to sleep, cough, and such. I finally took an antibiotic, but I'm not even sure it did the trick. Anyway, while I was here, there have been some things that I'm going to show you. David's mom found an old knitting pattern book that I vaguely recall having seen before, but she's sending me home with it. I have put together a PDF for you, so you will have a copy of this book. All of them are knitted lace edgings, as well as a few patterns otherwise. The other thing I wanted to show you, and mostly because one of the things that you've not seen from this trip, but one of the ones that the videos I'm going to put up, is about what happened in Norway during World War II. Because given our U.S. education, I was blissfully unaware. But traveling up to the north part of Norway, I learned a lot about World War II that was not taught in schools. But when I came back to David's mother and was telling her about the experience, she pulled out something that her Aunt Wynnie, she had an aunt named Wynnie, left to her when she died. And she said that Aunt Wynnie said specifically that Jean was supposed to have it. And it is a scrapbook of articles and news and items that Wynnie found important or interesting during World War II. In addition to that, we think that it's either a scrapbook from somebody else that's reused or drawings from Jean's Aunt Wynnie, and this was all probably took place in and around World War II. She collected all this. How old would Wynnie have been when she made this scrapbook for you?
Born in 1911, so when the war started, she'd have been 26.
Oh, so she was in her 20s when she put this scrapbook together.
That's right, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So she was like a young woman, but she didn't work, right? She took care of you, or she did work?
Oh, no. She was. She had to work on the government.
Oh.
She was working on munitions.
Oh, she worked in a munitions factory.
Yeah, in Manchester.
Oh, in Manchester. Oh, there you go. All right, I'm going to show it to you because there is a pattern in here that I'm also going to upload for you. Here is the scrapbook. And it's David's mom has been a radio aficionado, so this is the very first page. Is photos of all the radio stars. And then here's some of the drawings that we assume Aunt Wynnie drew. Some World War, some gear, and then a woman and shoes. I guess Jean said that Wynnie always liked her fashion. So as you look through the drawings in here, you'll see. Oh, here's an article about Mount Rushmore. I didn't realize that was made in World War II either. And we're madly getting ready to leave, so you're going to hear things in the background as they pack up the car. There. I'm going to quickly flip through these. But if you ever want to look at anything more closely, I'll take photos of it. Invasion, news, flyers. Oh, here we go. Another crochet pattern. I'll take a picture of this so we can include it with the materials. Hi, it's me again. I'm kind of wrapping up the video, the very short video that you're about to get. If you'll notice where I'm at, I'm in my couch. I'm back home. We made it home Sunday night at 1 a.m. after layovers and all kinds of good stuff. However, I wanted to wrap up this video. So I did not flip you through the Lace Edging magazine. However, you can just download it. It's in a PDF, and you can flip through it all by yourself because I'm giving it to you. The links for the JPEG for the scarf crochet pattern, the men's sock pattern, both from World War II, and this pre-World War II, there was no date in the book, but I would guess it was between the Edwardian area in early 1900s, so World War I, or before that even. Um, those links will all be down in the information below, so make sure and go check them out. That's it for me on this little short video. Sorry, I've just been so lax, but it's now been 3 weeks since I went to the UK. Well, 1 week at home and 2 weeks in the UK, and I am still really, really tired and still congested. So this is a tough little bug to kick. As I said in the video before, I'm pretty suspicious that I actually did have COVID, but was testing negative. Excuse me. I guess that's a thing. And given the proximity to all the people who were testing positive, it was weird because there were several of us who caught this bug who all tested negative for COVID, and people who were testing positive had no symptoms, which I find super bizarre. Anyway, that's it for me tonight. I'm trying to get you a little something so you get some video from me and not this long, drug out lag. What's coming is a whole bunch of videos that I just have to do little clips like this for so that they make sense. They're not just random clips. But after I filmed this video, we went to London, and I've got some footage for you from the V&A. I still haven't put up the World War II themed set of videos from my trip in Norway. There's also a video coming about Husflidens in Norway, and I believe a video of stuff from Oslo. I don't think I put that one up yet. So there are videos coming. It's just a matter of me feeling well enough to edit them and put in the clips that we need me to talk to link it all together. Anyway, I hope you're having a good week, and I hope you're healthy. I'm still trying to heal. I will get there eventually. Oh, and did I say we're moving too? On the 18th, I have to move house. So, and then on the 20th, Kelly and I are off to Chicago. So I got lots going on right now. I've packed 2 boxes. That's how many boxes. Oh, 2.5 boxes. But I've got to pack up the entire house by the 18th. I will have help. Anyway, bye. Oh. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all the stuff that's coming up, and to ring the bell so that you get notified of things that are happening. Also go over and get on the newsletter. I don't think I say that very much, but if you get on the newsletter, you'll hear about what's happening. Also, Instagram. We have an Instagram account. We have a Facebook account. And I'm not as good as Kelly is, but we try to get stuff up there all the time. Anyway, that's it for me tonight. Bye.